What's the matter? What is it? Tell Mommy. Yeah, tell Mommy. What's the matter? What do you want?
Maybe, but I just saved over $500.
What, you want another cookie?
Yeah. Plus Elton just lowered the rates again.
Another treat? Is that what it is? You don't eat like 4 or 5.
Gold is still near record highs. Gold and broken jewelry, diamonds, and more. Gold exchange is diamonds, broken jewelry, platinum jewelry, broken gold chains, bracelets, and necklaces. With the rising price of gold, you can sell the gold laying in your jewelry.
You don't have enough.
High cash prices. Visit our website at BigLineGoldExchange.com for more information.
It's so pitiful.
When I saw she'd gone, I had to call you.
I guess we'll just play games.
Okay. I'll give you one more, but you gotta do a treat. And you gotta do a trick. Okay? You gonna sit up? Sit up. You want one? Sit up. Good girl. No, wait. You gotta shake. Shake. You wanna shake with this hand? Shake. You shake with this one. Yeah. Shake. You're a good girl. You gonna lay down too? Huh? You gonna give me a high five? No. Give me a high five. Yeah, that's a good girl. Okay, you can have it. That's the last one.
When the two of you met, when she was around 12. I've seen photos of her. She was a beautiful girl. Was it conscious?
No more.
No, my God, no.
It just happened. And it happened again and again and again.
It's good, ain't it? Yum yum.
Access to your daughter.
Yum yum.
It's not just me. Stacy.
That's all you get. We gotta put them up. No more bakery cookies.